One of the key issues is because the politicians, I've been in politics for nearly a decade now, so I know ins and outs of politics because now there's a popular trend and it has been from donkey's ears, that um, they call the theory of divide and rule, divide and conquer in the past. What that means is that you divide a community to win a vote. For example, if there is a gang issue, it must be definitely something to do with the African community. If there is something to do with drugs, it must be from Asian community because they are gambling and they are doing all the drugs. And if there is something bad happening in the community, it must be refugees because refugees are bad. Why are we doing that? To win vote. I mean, it's been proven in U.S. During time of Donald Trump campaign that so you beat up this ethnic and minority communities to gain more vote, to gain sympathy. And it's unfortunately it's been echoing here in Australia as well, since the rise of Pauline Hanson, which she is talking about the human misery. She is in the first there was an Asians, then there is African, then there was Muslims, and now there is I don't know what other minority community, gangs. They want to get rid of gangs. As in fact, it's been happening for a very long time. I think if the politics, clean politics, and it's transparent, and people show leadership rather than racism, people show lead by example rather than being mean and nasty and race to the bottom. People show true issues that's affecting people day in day out. For example, family violence, people's health, unemployment, joblessness, Australian economy is certainly not going to solve the problem when you beat up the refugees, when you beat up Asians, when you beat Muslims, when you beat African by pigeonholing each of them in different class.